afternoon, everybody. Myself, Amandeep Kaur. Today, I would like to uh, discuss the PPT on corporate accounting HI 5020. So, my topic is issues in cash flow statement. In this, I would like to represent the cash flow issues in BHP Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited. So, first, I would like to represent bullet points. So in this, I would like to discuss about the introduction, analysis of income statement, analysis of cash flow statement, analysis of cash flow statement of BHP, Santos, and Fantastic Limited. Then the major source of cash, utilization of cash between these three companies, the trend in cash flow, best firm from trending lending purpose, and also the conclusion. So let's begin with the introduction. So in the introduction, the income statement and the cash flow statement are the part of the financial statement. The financial statement is prepared as per the requirement of accounting standard and provision of other regulations. This is done in order to ensure that each company prepares and presents the financial statement in the legitimate manner, so as to provide accurate and all the important information to the different stakeholders so that they can take informed decisions. As discussed, the different type of stakeholders has different information requirement, and all the information needs is met by the companies with the help of different types of financial statement prepared by the organization in the format provided by the accounting standard and the other regulations. Let's move to next slide, which is analysis of the income statement. The income statement of company includes information which helps the investors and investors to assess the financial performance of the organization. The income statement is also known as the statement of profit and loss of the company, as it provides the net profit earned or loss incurred by the organization. Thus, though the income statement, the investors can assess how efficiently the company utilized the resources of organization so as to generate the profit of the organization. And also, every investor is also required to assess the financial performance of the company, because it directly impacts the shareholders' wealth. Thus, if the company earns profit, then the shareholders' wealth is increased, and vice versa. So, in order to assess the growth of the company, the investor can assess the different profitability ratios such as gross ratio, profit ratio, net profit ratio, interest coverage ratio, etc. All this information can also be compared with previous information of the industry standard or peer companies. So let's move to the next slide, which is the analysis of cash flow statement. The cash flow statement of the company provides information about the liquidity position of the company. The liquidity position of the company is determined by the position of cash and cash equivalent at different time of period. It is necessary to track the changes in cash and the cash equivalent over a period start date and the end date. So for the assessing the same, the cash flow statement uses different items as like source of cash, of users of cash, being summarized into three major categories, which is the cash flow from operating activities, the cash flow from the investing activities, the cash flow from the financing activities. Let's move to the next slide, which is the analysis of cash flow statement of BHP Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited. So here I would like to represent it in a figure which shows the major source of the cash and cash equivalent. First, I would like to tell you the figures, then later I will tell you the explanation. So in this figure, as it shows, the BHP Limited in millions, it is the comparison between these three companies from 2017 to 2019. So as the figure shown, the proceed from divestment of onshore US net of its cash, which was on 2019 10,427, and proceed from the divestment of onshore US net of its cash were blank in 2018 and 2017. And then the net operating cash flow, which is 17,871 in 2019, and 2018 it was only 1804,060 61, and in 2017 it was 16,804. That means in the net operating cash flow were increased by like 2,000 or 1,000 in between these three years. So let's move on to the Santos company on the major source of the cash flow and the cash equivalent. So the Santos company in 2019 and 2018, 2017, the receipts from customers were 3,217, 3,740, 4,266 respectively in these 3 years. And the drawdowns of borrowings were like 592 in 2019. 2018 it was 1193, and 2017 it was 783. So in the Fantastic Limited, the figure shows the receipt from the customers, which were the high from those two companies. In 2019 it was 31,119, and in 2018 that was pretty much higher than the 2019. That was the figure 46,463, and 2017 it was 61,731. And the proceed from the borrowing, which is the higher than the Santos company. So in 2010 it was 5,066. So let's begin with the next slide, which is the utilization of cash and cash equivalent. The BHP Limited in 2019, 18 and 17. So dividends were paid, which was the minus 11,395 minus 5,222 and 2,921, and the purchase of the property, plant and equipment, which was minus 6,250 minus 4,979 minus 3,697. The Santos Limited, which was the payment of suppliers and employees, 1,892 in 2019. 2018 it was 1,816. 2017 it was a 1,611. Payments of suppliers and employees, which is like quite a lower than the VHP Limited. So the Fantastic Limited in 2019, the payment of suppliers and employees, which was approximately 38,000, and in 2018 it was 54,000, and then it was in 2017 only 60,000. So the repayments of commercial bill, it was $5,136 in millions. Sorry, the trend in cash flow from continuing operations. So the VHP Limited 2018-19, it was at 1,650 and 10,495. So we came to the observation in 2019 it was adverse, in 2018 it was beneficial, in 2017 it was beneficial as well. So in Santos, the trend in the cash flow was in 2019 it was 238, in 2018 it was 95, 2017 it was 804. So in 2019 these three companies were adverse, and 2018 beneficial, 2017 adverse. So So the comparison of the profit after the tax and cash flow from operating activities of BHP Limited. The net profit of the company is available from the income statement of the company. The income statement of the company is composed of different items of the income and expenses which are accounted for as per accrual basis of the accounting. In case of the accrual basis of accounting, the transaction is recorded in the period to which it belongs when the cash is paid or received. Moreover, it also included no cash income and expenses for computing the net profit loss. So move to the next slide. Best form for lending purpose. So basis the analysis made above, WRT cash flow statement, finally we can conclude that BHP Limited is the best firm for lending purpose. Other reasons for considering BHP Limited as the best firm for the lending purpose are that the BHP Limited net cash flow from borrowing during all the three FPYs is negative, which implies that company's borrowing is lesser than company's repayment. BHP Limited net cash flow from operating activities is positive for all the three FYS firms like Mirza, Holt and Oral 2006. So let's come to the conclusion. So my conclusion, the cash flow statement and the income statement meet the different information need to the users. Income statement provide information about the financial performance and the other provide the liquidity position and the different sources and users of cash. Thank you so much for listening. Here is the reference. If you have any question, then ask me. Thanks for watching.